Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unboxing Momonosuke, a special figure from the One Piece Grand Line series Volume 5 from Bandai's DXF lineup. If you're a fan of the Wano arc, you know how much this character has grown, and this figure perfectly captures his samurai spirit. You've seen the packaging. The front featured a bold and heroic image of Momonosuke, standing tall and proud. You'll also notice the official Bandai and Crane King logos, so we know it's authentic. Now let's get started. Now inside the box, everything is well packed in plastic, keeping the figure safe. Now let's fast forward while I cut the plastic open. First, you got the base. Note that the serial number is identical to the box outside. Next is Momonosuke himself. The level of detail is incredible. His flowing pink kimono, the meticulously sculpted hair. The paint job is sharp and clean, making this figure pop on display. Next, his top knot. Which just slots at a hole at the back of his head, just like so. And finally, his bulking sword. A tool used by the samurai in training in ancient times. Now, time to put it all together. Assembling this figure is really simple. First, we place his top knot on his head. Then, he just fits on his base using 2 pegs. Apologies with the struggle. For those wondering about the size, this figure stands at around 6 inches, making it a great fit alongside other Grand Line series figures. And just look at his stance. This pose captures Momonosuke's determined expression and powerful presence, even as a kid. After all, he is the future shogun. So, final thoughts. This Momonosuke figure is a fantastic addition to any One Piece collector out there. The detail, paintwork, and pose truly bring out his character and growth from a scared child to a true leader. What do you think of this figure? Would you add it to your collection? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more One Piece figure reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.